Today we are going to do exercise 9 of class of fraction. Your exercise 8 is cut because, as I told you, number lines for anything will not come. So today the topic is equivalent fraction. What are equivalent fraction? The fractions which represent the equal parts of the fraction. Okay. So the fraction that represent the same value of the fractions are known as equivalent fraction. For example, if we see this example, this circle is divided into two parts. I have shaded one part and this shows that the value is 1/2. Similarly, the other circle here also it is divided into four parts and two parts are shaded. So this becomes 2/4. So the parts will be same. Okay, you can see only the one side is shaded and we have just divided it into four parts, but the value is same. यहाँ भी half shaded है, यहाँ भी half shaded है, value is same. So this will be known as your equivalent fraction. If you see this one here, now we have shaded four parts, it is divided into 8 parts, but the value is again same. Okay, that is half of the circle is shaded, value remains the same, but the fraction has become now 4/8. That means the parts have been increased. So these three are your equivalent fraction. And why? Because all the three fractions represent the same value. Got it? And for equivalent fraction, to find out equivalent fraction, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. अगर हमें इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन निकालना है तो हम मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड हमेशा न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नंबर से करेंगे. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी एक्सरसाइज 9 फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So here we have to fill in the blanks with the equivalent fraction. So 2/7 is equal to 6/dash. अब हमें डिनोमिनेटर निकालना है. So first what we are going to do, numerator is given, denominator is not given. So 6 को हम numerator will be divided by the numerator. 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. Now whatever the answer you get, you are going to multiply them. Three twos are 6 and 7 threes are 21. So you got the number. So our missing number is 21. Similarly, go for this one. 6/7 is equal to dash upon 14. So denominator is given. So हम denominator को denominator से divide करेंगे. So 2. Now 2 will be multiplied by both the numbers. So we get 12/14. So the missing number is 12. This one also. Now 3/10 is equal to dash upon 30. So 30 divided by 10, 3. तो इन दोनों नंबर्स को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 3 से. 3 threes are 9, 3 tens are 30. So what is the missing number? 9. See, in this way you can find out your equivalent numbers, the missing number. These two you have to do it yourself. Just remember, if numerator is given, तो numerator will be divided by the numerator. जो भी आंसर आएगा उसको आपने दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. You will get your missing number. अगर डिनोमिनेटर दिया हुआ है, so we are going to divide denominator with the denominator. Whatever answer you get, multiply them with the both the numbers. Remember, in fraction we multiply with the numerator and denominator with the same number to get the equivalent fraction. Now the second question is, write 3 equivalent fraction of 1/3. हमें 1/3 के 3 equivalent fraction निकालने. How? So 1/3 multiplied by 2. As I told you, this will be multiplied by the same number. So we get 2/6. Now 1/3 multiplied by again 3 is equal to 3/9. Again 1/3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4/12. तो ये हमारे 1 2 3 4. 1 was already given, एक क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी था, बाकी 3 हमने फाइंड आउट किए. ये सारे क्या है, इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. जस्ट रिमेंबर टू फाइंड आउट द इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन वी विल नॉट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1, बिकॉज अगर हम 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे यू विल गेट 1/3 ओनली. तो हमने 2 से करना है, 3 से करना है, 4 से करना है, 5 से करो, 6 से करो. बट अगर यहाँ पे 5 फर्स्ट 3 है, सो 2 3 4 एंड यू विल गेट योर इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. 2/5 you have to do it yourself. Now find out the 3 equivalent fraction of 1/7. Write down 1/7. First we are going to multiply this by 2 and we get 2/14. Now we multiply it by 3, we get 3/21. When we multiply this by 4, we get 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. So we got the 4 equivalent fraction, that is 3 we have found out and was already there. So this is very simple. I am going to send you one question also, just have a look on that also. Thank you, have a nice day.